Hi everyone. This is a two-part series, so be sure to follow me for the next episode. In this video I will try to show how I made the short film, Escape. I was inspired by Punisher's competitions on YouTube that had thousands of artists competing. The style these artists brought into their works are truly amazing, and this what led me to create the story in similar fashion. So, I decided to create a short story of a character escaping their routines, shifting into different scenes as he walks or runs. I opted for parallax style, keeping the camera dead still in the center of the frame while backgrounds are moving. Since I'm still a novice in Blender, instead of sculpting and modeling a character of my own, I chose to download one from Sketchfab instead. Started by searching for the right candidate, a mouse that represents active, dynamic character, an adventurous one, and if possible with the right props that support the story. I then named him Moosey, as in mouse that is nosy. Once the main actor has been auditioned, I then used Mixamo to quickly rig and create the walking and running animations of the character as well as others in the film. Storyboard has always been the fastest method for me to roughly visualize the story that I have without having to write them down. This allows me to conceptualize how the actions will take place for each scene. The first scene, which is the room, was a pretty challenging render on its own. It has two running physics simulations, cloth and wind. Then, it has a running animation of plane and two fans in the background. Instead of moving the character across the space, I decided to move other objects along the axis of the character animation at different speed. Once I got used to the method in the room scene, the city scene became easier to manage. As before, other objects are animated within the space instead of the character. This is also the scene that I tried several lighting options for the environment and the character itself. The subway scene was particularly tricky to animate and light. I had to reconstruct the tunnel model in order to place the camera and have the entirety moving as background. Lighting this scene was also difficult. Each light must be attached to the tunnel model, then the train itself must have interior light and properly lit. Other characters in the scene must also be illuminated properly too. Then the animation itself, similar to previous scenes, I moved all objects outside the character along the horizontal axis at different speed, to create the parallax effect. If you like what I'm doing, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.